My dear colleagues, I'm from Benue State. This is a motion for the committer of the Nigerian...
Honorable colleagues, take your seats.
...of the Nigerian Communications Commission and Universal Service Provision Fund budgets to the Committee of Supply, pursuant to Order 12, Rule 10, Sub-Rule 1 and 2 of the Standing Orders of the House of Representatives. The House recalls that on Thursday, 10th November 2016, the House in the Committee of Supply considered and adopted the report of the Committee on Telecommunications on a bill for an act to authorize the issue from the Statutory Revenue Fund of the Nigerian Communications Commission the total sum of 70,672,492,000 naira only, of which the sum of 22,211,186,000 naira only.
Honorable members, take your seats.
Is for the current expenditure. The sum of 15,651,475,000 naira only is for capital expenditure. The sum of 557,708,000 naira only is for special projects, while the sum of 8,584,000,000 naira only and 17,668,123,000 naira only will be transferred to the Universal Provision Fund, USPF, and the Federal Government of Nigeria, respectively, and from the Universal Service Provision Fund, the sum of 16,325,268,000 naira only for the year ending 31st December 2016. Note that the following consideration and adoption of the report of the budget of the NCC and USPF, certain inaccuracies will be covered in the figures considered and approved for the Commission. Cognizant of the need to approve the vote and proceedings of Thursday, 10th November 2016, without the inaccurate figures in the NCC and USPF budget, the need to correct those numerous inaccuracies in the budget. The House resolved to recommit the budget of the NCC and USPF to Committee of Supply for further consideration pursuant to Order 12, Rule 10, Sub-Rule 1 and 2 of the Standing Orders of the House.
Order.
And exclude the adopted report of the Committee of Supply on the
Order.
NCC.
Please stop talking in the chambers, honorable colleagues.
Mr. Speaker, my dear colleagues, I so move.